How to unsubscribe all subscribed channels on YouTube at once. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we will learn how we can unsubscribe all the subscribed channels on YouTube at once. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, first of all, you have to launch YouTube application in your mobile device and make sure that you are logged in with your preferred account. So once you're logged in order to get to your subscriptions, tap on the subscription button at the bottom right corner. Now here you will find all of your subscription and all the channels that you have subscribed. Here YouTube does not provide a built-in option in order to unsubscribe from all of the channel at once. So in that case, you have to do that one by one manually. So from here you have to select the channel that you want to unsubscribe. Next to that channel, there is this bell icon right here. You have to click on it or tap on it. From here now, all you have to do is tap on unsubscribed. After that, the channel will be unsubscribed. So since YouTube doesn't have built-in features to unsubscribe all the channel at once, so you have to do this one by one manually in order to unsubscribe the channels. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.